What's up, everybody? School is starting back soon and the kids are going to be home this year. And so my middle child wants a desk in her room but doesn't want to take up a lot of space. And so we're coming up with an idea for a Murphy desk. We've looked online and seen a bunch of DIY Murphy desk ideas. And so I'm doing something a little bit different with this one. And I'm going to use a French cleat to hold it on the wall. And I wanted to show you the benefits of using a French cleat for a job like this. So hope you enjoy, check it out. So if you're not familiar with the idea of a French cleat, it's basically cutting two boards with the same angle in each board so that you can attach one board to the wall and then the other board will be attached to the piece of furniture that you're using. A lot of times this is used for portraits or other hutches or different things that you want to put on the wall and you want them to float. But this is just a very strong and easy way to do it. And so I'll show you as we go along, but this is going to be part of the desk. And this is the back side of the desk and it's got this angle cut in it. The other board, this one is going to be actually attached to the wall. And so once the desk is finished, the piece that's attached to the desk will slide down and match up with the one that's on the wall, and that will hold the desk to the wall, and then we can just secure it with a couple of screws. So I'll show you again in a little bit what we're talking about. All right, so I'm back here. I wanted to show you real quick an idea that I came up with. So here is the main part of the back of the desk that I was talking about earlier. It's gonna have, this is gonna go against the wall here, and I've cut this angle, which you can see in there. And that is gonna go as a French cleat and hang this main structure of the desk on the wall. And then once it's hung, I've used my shaper and I've cut out a couple of right angles here, and these are gonna be basically braces or brackets that I'm gonna put with hinges here. And then these little guys are gonna fold in like so and close, and the top of the desk is gonna fold down, and all of this is gonna close up on the wall so that when my daughter's not using this desk, she can fold it in, put the top down, and it won't take up any space in her room. So as I continue on in this process, I'll show you a little bit more, but especially once we get to the part where we hang it on the wall, I'll show you the French cleat and then how all of these folding parts work to create basically a Murphy desk. All right, to give a little progress on the desk, currently this is upside down on my workbench to show the bottom of this Murphy desk. And so one thing that I ran into was these little wings that are gonna flip out with hinges to support the top when it's open. I had to make a clearance for the hinge because again, not thinking about that, but this is gonna work well. Just was able to take it on my bandsaw and cut out a little slot so that now when these open up, it will clear that hinge. And then also we went ahead and just bought a laminated piece of board because we were trying to keep this project quick and simple, and my daughter just wanted to hurry up and didn't want to glue up a piece. So bought this, and just to give it a little bit more rigidity, you know, to make it a little bit more structurally sound, I just added a few pieces of support on the underside, which I think will help. And so yeah, that's where we are now. Gotta get this painted, get the hinges added, and then we will be ready to hang this on the wall. All right, we'll be back soon.
All right, guys, I'm gonna show you the desk. We've mounted it to the wall using the French cleat that I was talking about earlier. And so you can see as the desk is now, it's down, doesn't take up much space. You got a little bit of a shelf here to put things on. And then when you're ready to use it, you lift up, you just swing these little wings out, and ready to go. So that's it. So the Murphy desk is done, and hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.